Have you ever wondered what makes a city truly boom? Not just grow, but explode with energy, opportunity, and innovation? Today, we're diving deep into one such city that's rewriting the rules of urban development. Hyderabad, the Pearl City of India. What's the secret sauce behind its meteoric rise? It's not just one thing. It's a powerful combination of factors that have turned this historic city into a modern powerhouse. We're going to explore every single one of them. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather the digital giant, the IT and ITES sector. Hyderabad isn't just a player in the tech game, it's a global leader. We're talking about a city that's home to the second largest campuses of giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon outside of the US. Think about that for a second. These aren't just small offices. They are massive, sprawling innovation hubs. This has created a magnetic pull for talent from all over the world, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of software developers, data scientists, and tech entrepreneurs. This tech boom has had a ripple effect, creating millions of jobs and injecting billions into the local economy. But Hyderabad's strength isn't just in software. It's also a heavyweight champion in the life sciences and pharmaceutical industry. Did you know that Hyderabad is often called the pharma capital of India and even the vaccine capital of the world? It's true. The city is responsible for producing about 1/3 of all vaccines globally. This isn't a recent development. For decades, Hyderabad has been building a world-class infrastructure for pharmaceutical research, development, and manufacturing. It's home to Genome Valley, India's first-of-its-kind biotech cluster, which hosts over 200 companies. This specialization makes the city's economy incredibly resilient and diverse. Now, you can have all the industries you want, but without the right infrastructure, growth stalls. This is where Hyderabad truly shines. The government's foresight has been incredible. Take the Outer Ring Road, or ORR. This isn't just a road. It's an 8-lane, 158-kilometer expressway that has completely transformed connectivity. It's a lifeline that connects all major highways, the airport, and key commercial zones, drastically cutting down travel time and logistical costs. Then there's the Hyderabad Metro Rail, one of the largest public-private partnership metro projects in the world. It's a clean, efficient, and modern way to navigate the city, reducing traffic congestion and pollution. And let's not forget the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, consistently ranked among the best in the world for its service and efficiency. This trifecta of road, rail, and air connectivity is the backbone that supports the city's rapid expansion. Speaking of expansion, let's talk real estate. Hyderabad's skyline is changing at a breathtaking pace. Unlike other major Indian cities that are getting saturated, Hyderabad offers a unique combination of affordability and high-quality living. From futuristic skyscrapers in the financial district to luxurious gated communities, the real estate market is booming. This growth is strategic, centered around new development corridors like the IT hub in the west and the aerospace hub in the east. This planned expansion ensures that the city grows outwards in an organized manner, preventing the chaotic sprawl seen elsewhere. This makes it an attractive destination not just for businesses, but for families looking for a better quality of life. But a city is more than just concrete and code. It's about people and education. Hyderabad is a premier educational hub. We have top-tier institutions like the Indian School of Business, ISB, IIT Hyderabad, and Nalsar University of Law. These centers of excellence produce a steady stream of highly skilled graduates, providing the fuel for the city's knowledge-based economy. This creates a virtuous cycle. Top companies are attracted by the talent pool, and top talent is attracted by the presence of these world-class companies and universities. It's a self-sustaining engine of growth. And what about the business environment? This is where proactive governance comes into play. The Telangana government has rolled out progressive policies like the TSE Pass, a single-window clearance system that promises project approvals within 15 days. This has drastically reduced red tape and made it incredibly easy for both domestic and international companies to set up shop. This business-friendly attitude sends a clear message to the world. Hyderabad is open for business, and it wants you to succeed. This has fostered a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, leading to a thriving startup scene. From fintech to agritech, new ideas are constantly being born and nurtured here. Let's also not forget the city's incredible cultural fabric. Hyderabad is a melting pot, where a rich history seamlessly blends with a cosmopolitan future. You can explore the majestic Charminar and Golconda Fort in the morning and dine at a world-class restaurant in a gleaming high-rise in the evening. This unique blend of tradition and modernity gives the city its soul. It's a place where you can find the famous Hyderabadi biryani and cutting-edge global cuisine on the same street. This cultural vibrancy and high quality of life are huge factors in attracting and retaining top talent. People don't just come here to work. They come here to live, and they fall in love with the city's charm. Another crucial, often overlooked, aspect is the city's strategic location. Situated in the heart of the Deccan Plateau, Hyderabad serves as a natural gateway between North and South India. This geographical advantage makes it an ideal logistics and distribution hub for the entire country. Goods can be moved efficiently in any direction, making it a preferred location for e-commerce giants and logistics companies. And the growth isn't stopping. The government is already looking ahead, planning for the future. We're seeing the development of specialized clusters like an animation and gaming city, an aerospace and defense park, and further expansion of the pharmaceutical and biotech hubs. The plan is not just to grow, but to diversify and build a multifaceted economy that is future-proof. They are investing in sustainable development with a focus on green buildings, water management, and expanding green cover. This is a city that is planning for the next 50 years, not just the next 5. So, to answer our initial question, in how many ways is Hyderabad growing? The answer is in every way that matters. It's a perfect storm of a booming IT sector, a dominant pharma industry, world-class infrastructure, a thriving real estate market, a top-tier education system, proactive governance, a rich cultural heritage, and a strategic location. It's not one single pillar, but a powerful, interconnected web of strengths that are all firing at once. Each factor reinforces the others, creating an unstoppable momentum. Hyderabad is not just a city on the rise. It's a blueprint for the modern, dynamic, and sustainable metropolis of the 21st century. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the powerhouse city of Hyderabad. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. What other cities' growth story should we cover next? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.